Hello, good people. My name is Crystal, and I'm currently attending art school in my mid 30s. So, one of the things that I've been learning in my drawing class this semester is how to draw a hand, but in a unique way. This book is called Drawing on the Right Side of the Brain by Betty Edwards, and we use this book the majority of the semester. A picture plane was used to do a modified contour drawing of the hand, which would be transferred over to paper to create a realistic drawing of the hand. This is that picture plane that we used in class. And so we used a wet erase marker to draw the hand while holding the picture plane, which I'll show you in just a moment. Now, mind you, this video is not a tutorial, but I'm simply sharing with you how I learned how to draw a realistic version of my hand. And so typically you would hold the picture plane in a comfortable position, like your elbow touching the desk or resting in your lap, just so your arms won't get tired. So not necessarily what you see me doing here, okay? So don't do what I'm doing. At least not in this part of the video. But anyway, I just traced over my hands with the marker. So essentially, I went for a bit more of a difficult pose of the hand, not something so simple like a high five pose, just to challenge myself a bit. But to be honest with you, our professor encouraged us to do so. So that's that. So you probably see me closing one eye while drawing. That's because number one, the book instructed us to do so. Number two, when you're drawing in this way and being sure to hold your head in the same position as you started, it helps to keep the perspective you have of your hand the same. If you shift and move, or if you close one eye but then switch to close the other, the way you see your hand will change, and so does your drawing. And so once I'm done tracing, I'll just add in more details that I missed. And this drawing is not going to be perfect. And again, this video is not a tutorial. I'm just sharing with you what I've learned. All right, so the next step I took was to draw this image onto my paper. And first things first, I traced the dimensions of the picture plane onto the paper. Then I shaded in the rectangle that's on the paper. I shaded it in with a gray tone, and I also added vertical and horizontal lines. Now, the next thing, I just used the picture plane to carefully draw my hand onto the toned paper. Now, if you want more information about this, chapter 6 of the book explains this in better detail. So with my blending stump, I'm just going to go in and blend in the dark areas of my fingers. Now you're not going to see it in this video, but with my netted eraser, I'm going to bring out those highlighted areas, and you'll see the difference between those values in just a moment. And so this is how it turned out. And I really liked it. I really liked the results of it. I'm going to make more content like this where I am sharing my journey through art school and beyond. So if you like content like this, please like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.